The YGHC family of connectors are irreversible ground tap figure 6 connectors. They accommodate all cable combinations from number 6 solid through 500 kc mil. The C-shaped opening permits placing 2 run-and-tap cables into conductor groove. Today we'll be using the YGHC 29C29, a U997 die, and the PAT 750 Li. Note, these connectors can be installed using the PAT 750, Y750, Y35, Y39, Y45 or Y46, and PAT 46, with recommended dies. Other Burndy tooling options may be available. Contact Burndy for more information. First, determine the conductor size. Measure with the Burndy wire mic if needed. Choose appropriate connector of required size based on conductor size or rod size or both. Select and install the U997 into the PAT 750 Li. The die set information is stamped on the connector. Center the connector in the die and insert cables into the connector as shown. Cycle crimping tool until an audible pressure release is heard. Release tool. After crimping, notice the die index number embossed on the inspectable connection. Your installation of the YGHC connector is complete. For more information on the YGHC 29C29 and other Burndy products, visit burndy.com.